The last video where I showed you how to make Spider-Man lenses, I went over such methods as sculpting with clay, cutting it out of construction paper and using some sunglasses, using like some roller mesh you get at, well, drawer liner mesh, I guess, and then picking out which one you want to use. Today I'm going to use a method that I wanted to use for my last outfit, but I couldn't, and that is to use this mirror reflective tint that you can get online. A couple links will be in the description below, and to use fake leather. So I just cut out the shape in fake leather, and I cut out a general shape in the reflective material. And then I'm going to sew them together first, and then they'll be all one piece. You can glue it down if you find a good enough glue. Something that's lightweight, doesn't leave too much residue, and isn't too toxic. So like a light dab of super glue would also work. Anyway, this is the piece, just trying to give you an overall view of what it looks like. Alright, so now we're going to get on to the mask that you're going to attach these lenses onto. The mask is real simple. You basically just want to take a measurement of all the parts of your head, so around your neck, the base of your neck that is, and then your neck right underneath your chin, measurement of around your chin, and then around from the back of your head to about the bridge of your nose, and then around from your brow all the way to the back of the head where the head curves into the neck. And then you want to make a design kind of like this. And when you cut it out, you're going to want to make sure that the nose, that it's a doubled pattern connected by the nose, as you can see right there. And then you can just go freehanding, freestyling, whatever kind of web design you want to do for that. It's kind of obvious to tell where you sew it up. You kind of just fold it in half and make sure that everything is even and symmetrical and mirrored. And for sewing up the lenses, if you're using pleather, you're going to want to use like an oil. So I used an all-purpose machine oil. Put that around so it slides around the machine easier. And then I made sure that one side was the wrong side. That way I could tell which side I'm going to put on. I don't recommend I don't recommend sewing machines. I think glue would work better because I kind of ruined it. If you have a lightweight fabric, not a pleather, but more like a felt or anything like that, you could do hand sewing it. It's just hand sewing pleather is really difficult if you don't have a thimble. Anyway, once I was sure it was on, I kind of just pressed it together, kept going around. The end result was pretty nice. But these are how the lenses turned out, but first I need to make a face shell to put them onto, which I'll show you guys how to do in the next video. Or you can refer to my previous video and then come back to this one later.